Look, as an entrepreneur, as a startup, one of the biggest decisions you make is which e-commerce platform do you choose for your website. And I remember for us, it was a very long, lengthy, stressful process. We spoke with dozens of Magento developers, dozens of Shopify developers, to try to really cut through the noise and understand which platform would be best for us. And we went with Magento based on a belief that it would offer us a really super customizable, tailored website that would cater to every whim and desire. What became apparent through the development and subsequent launch of the website is while all of that might be true, it requires a huge amount of time, money, effort, and project management in order to realize that. And as a startup, well, as a business, you really want to focus your time on growing your business and less on managing the technical minutiae of your website. And I found that balance wasn't being addressed with the website that we had, and that encouraged us to look at Shopify again with the knowledge that we had accumulated through that process, and to see whether actually the right decision would have been Shopify. And that led us to Shopify Plus, it led us to Swanky, and ultimately led us to where we are today.